Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you are watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stored function in PostgreSQL and call it. So this video will cover only few basic things of a function. In the upcoming videos, I'll post more about the functions and more options that we have in stored function in PostgreSQL. So to get the notifications, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video and I'll show you how to do it. First we'll create a function. The syntax is like this: create or replace function. Or replace is optional, like if it's already existing it will just replace that, but you can avoid that. So the schema is public create or replace function public dot, let's the function name is testing function. Okay, and this is the there is no parameter. Parameterized function I will create in upcoming videos. For now I'm creating only simple one. So here I have to mention the return type of it. So it returns first I will show how it returns a text message, and the language is pgSQL language, and cost defined is 100, and it's volatile. Okay, so from here our body part will start as body. What are these things I will explain in upcoming videos. So just write as I'm doing now here. Declare section. I will declare one variable like v return message, and it's of a text. So after that actual begin block will start from here. So it started. Now I will assign a message that I want to return from it, like the variable was v return message, and I will assign it a message hello knowledge 360. like this is one message that will come in output. Okay, so after that my program is done. After that what I'll do, I'll return the message like return, and the variable is this v return message. So this is the very basic syntax of function in PostgreSQL. After that I will do end. The pgSQL block is end, and body. So now I'll create it, select these things and do it. The function is created. We can check it from here. We can refresh the schema, and here is the functions. Now it's created. Okay, so now I'll call it. How to call it? So the function is created. Now I'll call it. I call it like this: select, and the function name is public dot testing function. So now I will execute this. It should return me message hello knowledge 360. Okay, so this is the message is returned from the function. Now what I'll do, I'll change the message. I'll do it hello Akram, and as I told you that create or replace means if the function is already existing, it will just replace that. Okay, so it will replace that. The function has been replaced. Now when I execute it, it will show hello Akram, as I have printed here hello Akram. Okay, so let's test it. So this is the way. Okay, so this was very basic things of function, like basic function structure, that how we create and call. In upcoming videos I'll post more about the function and more options that we have for stored function in PostgreSQL. So stay tuned, let's meet in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.